Before passengers boarded modern aircraft with digital systems and automated operations. Before airports became symbols of speed and global connection, there were people standing beside the machines. In rain, in cold, in heat, working directly beneath the wings. They loaded, inspected, repaired, guided, prepared. They were the ground crews. And they needed clothing designed for a unique environment. A place where precision met weather. Where human effort met enormous machines. From this world emerged the ground crew jacket. A garment built not for appearance, but for responsibility. Aviation has always depended on more than pilots and aircraft. Every successful flight requires a complex network of workers on the ground. Aircraft mechanics, ramp agents, maintenance specialists, fuel technicians, cargo teams. Their work often happens before passengers ever see the aircraft. The clothing they wear reflects the demands of that environment. The origins of aviation workwear are closely connected with early 20th century military and industrial clothing. The first generations of aircraft required constant maintenance. Machines were exposed to extreme conditions. Engines needed inspection. Metal structures required repair. Ground personnel worked outdoors with limited protection from the elements. Ordinary clothing was inadequate. Workers needed garments that could provide warmth, durability, and freedom of movement. Early aviation jackets borrowed ideas from military flight clothing. Heavy fabrics, insulated interiors, functional pockets, strong closures. The goal was simple: keep workers protected while allowing them to perform precise tasks. The design of a ground crew jacket reflects practical engineering. Every feature serves a purpose. Durable outer fabrics resist wind, rain, oil, and abrasion. Insulated linings provide warmth during long hours on exposed airport surfaces. Multiple pockets allow technicians to carry small tools, documents, radios, and equipment. Reinforced stitching increases lifespan under demanding conditions. The jacket becomes part of the worker's equipment, not simply clothing. Materials evolved as aviation technology advanced. Early jackets relied heavily on cotton canvas, wool, and leather. Later versions introduced synthetic fibers, water-resistant coatings, and lightweight insulation. Modern designs balance protection with comfort. They must allow workers to move quickly around aircraft while maintaining visibility and safety. Visibility became increasingly important as airports grew larger. Bright colors, reflective panels, high-contrast designs. These features helped workers remain visible among vehicles, aircraft, and complex airport operations. The jacket became both protective clothing and a safety tool. Psychology explains why workwear developed such strong identities. A uniform creates recognition. It communicates responsibility. When workers wear specialized clothing, it reinforces their connection to a specific role. The ground crew jacket represents competence, preparation, reliability. It tells a simple story: someone here keeps aviation moving. Unlike luxury fashion, workwear gains meaning through use. Scratches, faded fabric, worn pockets. These marks represent experience. A jacket becomes a record of countless hours spent solving problems. The aviation industry has always fascinated the public. Aircraft represent exploration, technology, and human ambition. Because of this connection, aviation clothing gradually moved beyond airports. Military flight jackets inspired civilian fashion. Mechanic styles influenced streetwear. Utility designs entered mainstream clothing. The same qualities valued by workers became attractive to everyday consumers. Durability, function, authenticity. The ground crew jacket became part of a larger tradition of workwear-inspired fashion. Designers began incorporating aviation details into modern collections. Heavy zippers, utility pockets, technical fabrics, industrial silhouettes. Yet the original purpose remained important. The jacket was created because people needed it, not because trends demanded it. Modern airports continue changing. Automation, digital systems, advanced aircraft, improved safety procedures. Yet the human element remains essential. Machines still require inspection. Equipment still requires maintenance. Flights still depend on thousands of small actions performed correctly. The ground crew jacket remains a symbol of that invisible effort. Museums and aviation collections preserve historic examples because they reveal an important truth. History is not only created by famous figures. It is also created by workers whose names are rarely recorded. The mechanics who repaired engines. The technicians who inspected aircraft. The crews who prepared every departure. Their clothing tells part of their story. Because beneath every reinforced seam, every weather-resistant panel, every worn pocket, and every aviation badge, lives a history of dedication, a history of teamwork, a history of people standing between humanity and the sky. The ground crew jacket is more than outerwear. It is a piece of aviation heritage, a symbol of practical engineering, and a reminder that every flight begins long before the aircraft leaves the runway. It begins with the people on the ground.